So only this person will be holding the private key. These people cannot find or have the private key. It's only this person who will be holding the private key. So this public key sender encrypts. Public user. Public user is published, means everyone can access the using directory. Or sender encrypts the message and send it to the receiver. Which cannot be decrypted by anyone else except the private key holder. Let's say this is a message encrypted This is message encrypted by public users. And sent the message is sent down, and there is the private key holder. Private key holder. The message which is sent by public user cannot be decrypted back by public user. The only person who will be able to decrypt the message which is sent by public user, the only person who will be able to decrypt the message is private key holder. So this message is only opened or decrypted by this person. Anyone who tries, between hackers or anyone else who tries to decrypt this here, the access will be denied, as only this person knows the private key. For example, if Bob wants to send plain text message if Bob wants to send a plain text message and it's encrypted, the message is here encrypted by Bob, This message is encrypted by Bob here and sent along to Tom. The message is encrypted by Bob. He encrypted the message and he sent it to Tom. The message is coming down here, coming to Tom. Anyone who tries to open this message hacker, anyone who tries to open this message in here, he won't be able, because it will ask for the private key. The private key which is held by Tom. So the hacker won't be able to open this message, therefore message will come up saying access denied, or any other message. Once the message is received by Tom, Tom enters the password, the private key, and then the message is decrypted. Decrypted to its previous format, so that this person will be able to see the message in plain text message or normal format as it was in the start. The process is now done, and the message is received by Tom. Using private key, he decrypts the message, and the process is successfully completed. One thing I wanted to mention about Symmetric algorithm or encryption is how it works. There is, in here we use the example, and there were two keys used by public key and private key. Public users encrypted the data, and private key is the person who opened the data at the end. There were two private key used, two keys used. But in symmetric encryption, there is only one key used. If Bob wanted to send a message to Tom, there is only one key. Which has to be used by both Bob and Tom. Therefore, what you do is Tom and Bob meets each other in a secure place where no one can find them or see them, so they can find the password. This key is shared between only Bob and Tom. So only those are the person who know the key which is used to open or decrypt the message. Now if the person tries to hack or open the message, decrypt a hacker, he won't be able to open it, because the message is only between the key is shared between these two users. If they don't use the key, the hacker will always try to open this message and will guess the key, and they will take the information from the message. If the key is shared only between these two, then Bob encrypts the message, and once it is received by Tom, he uses the same key and decrypts the data, and the process is done. Therefore, in this time, someone might try to find, it happens only like 1 in 100, someone might follow them and find the password between these two. Therefore, people are more likely to prefer a symmetric algorithm or encryption, because a symmetric algorithm is only the person with private key holder. He is the only person, he or she is the only person who will be able to open the message. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching us.